Hello guys, welcome back to this channel and welcome to this new video that I'm sharing with you. And today we will be making chips masala. And before I get into all of that, I wanted to let you know that it has been raining a lot lately here where I am, and I have found myself craving hearty homemade comforting foods, and this is why I am sharing chips masala with you, because I believe this is a dish that you can easily make and it's really comforting, because anything with potatoes is really comforting. So this is something that you will find easy to make and it is still really delicious. So as you can see, I did not peel my potatoes, although I thoroughly washed them, and this is because I want to keep the fiber in the food so that it makes the digestion easier. But of course you can peel your potatoes if you prefer. Now when it comes to chips masala, it's basically chips, which are french fries for those who call them french fries, and a spicy masala mix in a tomato paste, which you then cook together, and it comes together really nicely. And this is almost, to me, this is another variation of katogo. And if you don't know what katogo is, it's literally a melange of things, of foods together, and we usually eat it with potatoes and any other starches that we have available. So to me, chips masala is just a variation of katogo, because essentially it's using the same ingredients, although the technique is different. And just let me know in the comments below if you'd like me to share a video of katogo, because I'd love to do that for you. So when you make chips masala, you just have to have chips. If you have access to already made chips, which you can buy when they're already made, then that's even better for you. But because I didn't have access to that, I had to cut my own chips and wash them and then fry them and get them ready. So the process is just having chips and then frying tomatoes and onions and all those good stuff and mixing them with a masala spice. So for my masala spice, it consists of turmeric powder, cumin powder, paprika, black pepper, some cloves, and then coriander powder. And again, everyone's spice mix is really different, so the flavor will depend on the spice mix you have available. So as you can see, I soaked the potatoes in water for about 10 to 20 minutes, and this is to kind of remove all the unnecessary starch so that they remain firm when they are fried. Once the frying is done, what's left to do is to really saute the fries with the tomatoes and onions and garlics and the spices, and you have your chips masala. Now remember, if you want the full recipe to this dish, I have the link in the description box below. And let me know in the comments if you have ever had chips masala, or if you'd like to try chips masala, or if anyone has ever made this for you. Thank you for watching this video, and I can't wait to see you in the next video. Bye!